Designing in Canva can feel like solving a fun puzzle. Sometimes moving objects just a tiny bit makes all the difference. This technique, called nudging, helps you place elements exactly where you want them without hassle. Whether you are creating a social media post or a flyer, mastering the nudge can save you time and effort. And here's everything you need to know about nudging in Canva, explained in plain and simple steps. Let's start by explaining to you what is nudging. Nudging in Canva means moving an object slightly using your keyboard arrow keys. This works well when you need precision but don't want to deal with the fuss of dragging things with your mouse. Think of it as a fine-tuning your design without breaking a sweat, and it can be done very simply in Canva. Just click on the object you want to adjust. It could be text, an image, or a shape. Then press the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the object. Each press shifts the object a small distance. This is great for those tiny adjustments that are hard to get right with a mouse. But what if you want to move the object faster? This is also simple to do. Just hold the Shift key while pressing the arrow keys. This moves the object more than with just arrows, making it perfect for larger adjustments. So here you have it. You learn how to move objects in your Canva in small distances. As a graphic designer, I can tell you that small changes can have a big impact. Nudging ensures your designs look polished and professional. It's one of those simple tricks that seems obvious, but makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. The best part, it's quick, easy, and you don't need an extra tools or plugins. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, nudging can help you create cleaner, better organized layouts. So, I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply.